In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum or ETH via Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully execute a transfer of ETH to another wallet. To start, you need to log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section located in the upper right corner of the screen. Within this section, you will find a list of options. Click on withdraw to proceed to the withdrawal page. Ensure you have sufficient ETH in your spot wallet before moving forward. After accessing the withdrawal page, you will see a field labeled address here. Paste the recipient's ETH wallet address. It is crucial to double check that this address is correct, as any mistakes can lead to the loss of funds. Next, select the network for the transaction. Typically, you will choose the RC20, which is the standard network for Ethereum transactions. Proceed by entering the amount of ETH you wish to send. Once you have entered all the necessary details, carefully review the address and network selection to avoid any errors. This step is vital because sending ETH to the wrong address or selecting the incorrect network can result in permanent loss of funds. After ensuring everything is accurate, you can move on to the next step. At this point, you will see a summary of your withdrawal details, including the network fee associated with the transaction. Confirm that all information is correct. You will be prompted to complete a security verification step, which could involve two-factor authentication or an email code. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification. After successfully verifying your identity, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You will receive a notification indicating that the transaction is in progress. To track the stat of your withdrawal and navigate to the transaction history section. Here, you can monitor your withdrawal status until it is completed. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the transaction to finalize may vary depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.